butterflies, I'm Dabi and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you could see it from the title of the video, I'm finally gonna be going back to brown hair and I'm so excited. I don't know how it's gonna turn out and I don't even remember the last time I had like brown hair. It has been over a month now since I last dyed my hair purple and this is how the color faded. It kind of turned to like a silver purple hair. It's really cute. I really like it, but I'm not really happy with my roots because my roots grew out so much and I think it looks kind of messy, so I don't really like it. I don't know, but I feel sad and happy because I finally have to say bye to blonde hair Dabi. It was really fun to have this hair color for like a year. A lot of people told me I look better with light hair, so I'm kind of sad that I'm gonna be going back to dark, but I'm also excited because I'm gonna have a new hair color and I really want to see how I look like with brown hair. I'm so excited, so let's just get started with the video. As you could see, my roots grew out so much and my hair is really dark, like it's really black, it's not even brown at all. So I'm gonna be bleaching my roots first. Yeah, you heard it right, I'm gonna be bleaching my roots again because I don't want my roots to be dark while the rest of my hair is kind of like a light brown. So I'm gonna bleach my roots so it's gonna look more cleaner and nicer, I hope. I don't really know how it's going to turn out. I'm only gonna be bleaching my roots once and then I'm gonna dye my hair brown. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna bleach our roots first and I look so horrible. I haven't washed my hair I think like 3 days already, so it's really greasy and disgusting, so I just wanna bleach my hair now so I can finally wash my hair. First, I'm gonna be removing my accessories because I don't want to stain them. I'm gonna show you guys the materials you'll need to bleach your hair or your roots. Of course, to lighten the hair color, we're gonna need some bleaching powder. I got this from Shopee. I think all of the products I got are from Shopee, so I'm just gonna put the link in the description box. And your developer, I'm using 30 volume developer. Of course, your mixing bowl and brush, 30. And a measuring cup. I just had this in my house, so I used this one. I don't really know where I got this. Some gloves, and of course you gotta change your shirt into a shirt you don't use anymore, so if you don't mind getting it stained or damaged. So I'm gonna do that first. Okay, I'm back, and of course you're gonna need some hair clamps. Maybe 3 will do. So I'm gonna show you guys how my hair looks like right now. It's really faded now and I don't think I'll be bleaching this part of my hair or like a bleach bath. I'll just put the color on top of this hair color. Okay, now let's make our mixture. First, we're gonna get our powder. I'm only gonna be using a ½ cup of this bleaching powder. Okay, I don't know if you could see it, but this is just half, and then you're gonna dump this in here. And then we're gonna use 1 cup of this developer. There. And then you're just gonna dump it over in here. Now just start mixing. This is gonna take a while. This is the last time I'm gonna be bleaching my hair myself. It's actually around 3 right now or 4 in the afternoon, so I might dye my hair tomorrow and I'm just gonna be bleaching my roots first today. Okay, this will do now. Okay, so now that we got our mixture, I'm gonna section my hair now like this. Oh, by the way, I have a mirror at the back so I could see what I'm doing because I'm bleaching my hair alone, so it's really good to have 2 mirrors. I'm gonna be bleaching this part first so I can show you guys. So I'm gonna be clipping this hair away from my face. Okay, now I'm ready. I'm gonna wear my gloves. I'm gonna section this part of my hair. So I'm gonna get like small pieces of my hair. Like that. Here we go. another section, just a thin section. Okay, so I just finished this part. In the bottom here, I could already see that it's getting lighter. Okay, so the sun is in my room and it's really hot. Anyway, I just finished bleaching the back parts. Now I'm gonna be bleaching the fronts. Okay, I'm gonna finish this part and I'll be back. Okay, hi guys, I just did it. I look so funny right now. I look like an alien. But anyway, it is already 5 in the afternoon. I'm just gonna let it sit for like about 45 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it. So yeah, for today I don't feel a lot of pain. Like there are days when it really hurts, but right now it's still bearable. It isn't that painful. It's just itchy, like you just want to scratch your head. Okay, so I'm just gonna make some TikTok and I'll be back when I'm about to wash my hair. Okay, so it is now time to wash my hair. It's around 5:40 right now and my hair is looking like this. It looks really light, but after I wash it I'm sure it's gonna be like orange. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash it now and maybe I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm gonna dye my hair brown. So see you tomorrow. Hi guys, I'm back. It is the next day. What day is it today? I think it's 14. And this is how my hair looks like. Oh my god, look at my roots. It's so orange. This is my hair right now. Really messy. I didn't even brush my hair yet. Anyway, today is the day. I'm finally gonna be dyeing my hair brown. Oh my god, I'm so sad, but I'm also excited. It's time to say bye to this whatever color hair Dabi. So I'll see you again. I don't know when, but enough with the drama. I'm just gonna go right into it. I'm gonna show you guys the product that I'll be using for today. Of course, mixing bowl, some hair clips, gloves, of course your hair dye. I'm gonna be using the Bremud Performance colorant in the color dark ash blonde. I got two because one is like 100 ml and I think that wouldn't be enough for my hair since I have long hair. If you're planning to dye your hair with a permanent color, you're gonna be needing a developer, and I have mine in 20 volume. For this time, I brought what do you call this, salon cape thing with me, so I don't need to use a towel or a plastic and I don't have to waste a shirt. First, I'm gonna wear this one. Okay, so I'm gonna make the mixture first. Every hair brand or hair dye has their own instructions, so make sure you read them and follow it. So it says here, mix the hair color cream and oxidant in a non-metallic bowl, and then the mixing proportion is 1:1. One portion of the hair cream and another of the hair oxidant, which is this one. So first, I'm gonna open this. Why did I smell it? I don't know. 20 volume, guys. 20 volume. 1 cup. Like that. And I'm just gonna dump it right in here. Okay, so I'm gonna be using 1 cup of the colorant. Ooh, they look like this. They're really light, but then once you mix them, they're gonna get dark. Or like when you put them on your hair. Okay, I think I got them all. It's not 1 cup, but then I'll try to mix this one in first. I'm tired. Okay, so now we got our mixture. Yeah. And you're gonna make another section here until the back of your ears. So like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply it first in my midsection and then to the ends. And then after 20 to 25 minutes, I'm gonna put it on my roots. To make it easier, I'm just gonna put it in my mid and my ends. And then after I finish all of that, I'm gonna go to my roots. Here we go. I'm gonna wear my gloves now. So my mids. Like that.
Jump in the neighborhood pool with you. I wanna dive into that ocean with you. Whisper words that would only make sense to you. I wanna love you till my lips turn blue. Pull me close.
Okay, so I just finished the first section and it looks great, so I'm really nervous now.
Pull me close, wrapping your arms around me, my legs around your body. Hold me close, pull me close, wrapping your arms around me, my legs around.
I finished putting it all over my hair, but I didn't do my roots yet. And I already finished it, so I'm just gonna make another one. My camera died and it's about to die again because it's low bat. It died first because the memory was full. Now it's about to die because it's low bat. Anyway, right now I'm doing my roots just like that. I'm going back to all the places or like all the hair strands that I did, and then I'm just doing it like that. I'm just on like the second section, so I still haven't done the front parts. Okay, so I'm gonna do it quickly while my camera is still alive. Hi guys, I'm back. So it is currently 4:40 and I finished around 4:20, so I still have around 20 minutes left. Looking like this. It's really dark here now, and my roots, they're kind of like a beige brown, and I'm scared I might get hot roots. I hope not. I couldn't talk properly while I was doing my hair, so at the end of the video, after I wash my hair and when I look presentable, I'm gonna explain how I did it again and the stuffs you need to remember. So yeah. Okay, so it is already 5:10. It is now time to wash my hair. And my roots, I don't know, they look really light and I'm scared they might be lighter than the rest of my hair. And also we have water interruption. We always have water interruption in our place. So there's no water. I don't know how I'm gonna wash my hair. Maybe I'll wash my hair downstairs because there's no water in the second floor, like even a drop. No, none. So I guess I'm gonna wash my hair downstairs in the sink. And I'll see you guys after I wash my hair. Maybe tomorrow because it's gonna take forever for me to style my hair. So maybe tomorrow. See you guys then.
Hold up, tell me what the hold up is. I'm a little spoiled, I'll be the first to admit it. I'm not used to laying low about my feelings. Tell the world I'll write a book when I'm finished. I should thank your mama, yeah. Look at what she made. Sweating you so badly. I'm in summer with no rain. Yeah, I want it, want it, want it, want it more than I want to. I want it, want it, want it, want it.
Hi guys, it is the next day. I washed my hair, I styled it, now I look presentable. Okay, so this wasn't the color I was expecting or hoping. Really, no. I wasn't really planning to go for this color. I wanted to go for like a warm beige color. It's more closer to a brown color than an ash color, and this is just literally ash blonde. Maybe it's my fault because the dye I used was dark ash blonde. At first I wasn't really happy with it. Like after I washed my hair and I was starting to dry my hair, I was really sad and I just didn't like it. But now, today, after I styled it, oh my god, it's beautiful. I think it looks so good. I never had this ash color, and I remember when I was still a kid, I wanted to have this type of hair color, but I know it would be really hard to achieve. But I did it myself. I think it looks so good. I'm in love. And my roots, I wasn't really happy with my roots as well, because I don't know if you could see it, but it is kind of like a light brown, and the color in my roots was the color I was going for, or the color that I had in mind. So my roots is different from the ends of my hair, and I'm not surprised. I was expecting that. Now let's go back to the hair process and everything. Okay, so first of all, the most important thing, if you want to achieve this hair color, your hair has to be like a level 9 or 10. If you have brown hair or black hair and you use this hair dye, it isn't going to work. This won't be the color you'll be achieving. So I was able to achieve this because my hair was like almost platinum blonde. For the application, I started with my mid and then the ends of my hair, and after finishing the whole head, I went on to do my roots. And after doing the roots, I just left it on for like 40 minutes, not an hour, 40 minutes. I actually didn't follow the instructions on the packaging because it was just gonna be so complicated, so I just did it my own way. I don't know if that's right. I'm not the hair professional. Just do your research. Well, I did it and it's fine. So yep, maybe after a few washes it's going to get lighter and lighter and I'm gonna be back to blonde again. So I probably have to dye my hair brown again, and maybe next time I'm gonna be dyeing my hair a darker brown. Anyway, this is my hair, guys. At first I didn't like it, but now I just love it. So I hope you guys like it too. Please comment down below what you guys think about my new hair. That is it for this video. If you have any questions, just comment them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, butterflies.